Good morning, everyone. It's me, Leigh, with Victorian Dreams by Leigh, and we're halfway through. Today is day 6 of the Advent calendar. So let's move this out of the way. And I can't believe that I have patience to wait on this because I bought it in October like 15th. So we're at day 6. The boxes are all the same. I was wishing there was a big box and little boxes. They're all the same. And they're all tags. It's about a tag. So remember, write her and say, let's do a stationary one and all too. We could even have a box on this side and pull out a file folder, type file folder, beautiful colors. Anyway, oh, we got that all at one time. Okay. Ooh, it's got a squiggly. I could use that for sure. Could use that squiggly on all kinds of stuff. So, if you've been following along, it's almost the same stuff every time. Ooh, that's very gold. So, we've got these two trees. We need a pop bottom. Got sayings that says holiday greetings, Christmas blessings. We cut this in half. The twine. And we have the little star. Put that there. The squiggly, which we could use so many times on so much stuff. And then these two. Like a little peanut butter and jelly sandwich. I don't know why I think that. Okay, guys, so let's get started. Alrighty, so I'm going to use a little one today. And I'm going to do the red and this. And we're going to make sure it's the right direction. So how did we do this yesterday? Oh, we're going to need the big one. I need more space. I can already tell. Okay, so how did we do yesterday when we cut? This is going like that. This is going like that. So this one, let's make sure it's going the right direction. We could cut it like that, but I want the pencil to be, I want the paper edges to be in the right direction. So we're going to kind of make the same thing as yesterday. I like it so much. And this, oh, I have to. Put it there. Put it there and have this come off and put it here and have just that. But no, I like it to be more thickness. Look more presentable, not presentable, but more oomph to it. Okay, so now the squiggly, I am just going to still just use the gold since it's right here. And is there enough space? Probably not. So we're just going to find some gold. This one got enough space? It does. And we're going to make the first one, the first cut. I'm crafting for my however long this takes, less than 30 minutes. And I just wiggle all that. So be careful and make sure that you can pinch this and keep it pinched. And it's run. Sounds like a can opener. When I was growing up, we would have to can food for the cats, and when they would hear a can opener, they thought they were getting fed. Most of the time they were. That's going to be nice. This one we can use for so many things. That's nice. I wonder if I have one of those in my set. See, the goes right there. This is her magnetic board. And I use my old, save that star. I use my old magnets, and they're on my right side, right beside me, just laying on the table. So what are we doing next? We're going to cut this one. A lot of cutting to do. Cut this one. We're going to cut this one. I'm going to make sure it's going the right direction. Cut this one. And oops, I need one more piece of gold for today. Okay. So where's all my piece? Oh, and see that little thing? You might want to tape it down. But I'm going to just pinch real hard, and I'm going to keep pinching, and I'm going to pinch on both sides. I'm holding this one, and then I'm holding uh, the other side. Never put your fingers in between these. Never put your fingers in between these plates. I don't think you'll be able to get it out. I mean, it's got that much pressure, so be careful, guys, especially if you're very new. Um, Leigh. See that little star? You never know. And only because it's right there close to me. Um, I'm going to cut this out one time. Let's make sure it's going in the right direction. It is. Yeah, cutting it all at one time is the best way to go. So let's cut one more time. And of course, what did it do? It slid. It's tiny. This little impress is so little. Let me show you the size of it. It's that little. And it is so little that if you were traveling or living in a camper or something, it wouldn't. Okay. So there we go. They're smushed together. All right, guys, let's put this together. You know we got to use the pop dots because it'll look good. And I'm going to push holes in these. They don't have enough space to use the die that came with it because it was cut into the word. So that's right there. And you don't have to pop dot this. You could have it just like this if you want. Um, and all you'd have to do is put this together and the tree. But we're going to pop dot. We're going to make it a little fancier. So pop dot and pop dot these. Let's get this cleaned up. Sorry if I'm doing stuff off camera. So, guys, did you do a load of laundry? Did you put the dishes in the dishwasher? Did you take something out for dinner? That's all the stuff I have to do before I walk over here. Let's see what else. I don't have laundry today. Did you take your medicine this morning? Have you had water? Check the mail. I have to walk 30 minutes a day, 3 days a week for my doctor. Would y'all like to see me on camera? Or is this good enough? But on camera, I feel like I gotta put makeup on. I don't want to put makeup on for weddings and funerals. I don't even put makeup on when I go to church. Anyway, all right, let's get started. Where's the scroll gonna go? Nope. Yep. What takes longest? Taking these things off. But you already see what I'm gonna do. And you know I use the glue gun and I let it drip over the side so that when it drips to the cardstock it holds it, or I put a tab on the side of it and the cardstock. So we're gonna line up that. So line it up. Then we're going to, we should be using wet glue because it's so thin. I'm just gonna, I'm just gonna put some on here, mostly where the tree would hide it, so it stays down. But if it's, it's just, but the tree's gonna hide it if there's extra glue. But see, that one is just a hair more. Okay, the tree. Now, if you want to bump this up a whole nother notch, I would use glitter or maybe those half flat rhinestones or flat back plastic pieces. What are they called? Embellishments. So let's put this here. And I don't know out of area number. So I don't answer out of area numbers. Who answers out of area numbers? Anybody? So what we're going to do is put this through here. And we're going to put this through here. This is pretty for not knowing what I was going to do 10 minutes ago. So, yeah. And I'm sure we could have made a shadow box, one and all, but I'm not going to do that. I'm not going to get that much into it. So there is one. That's what's in today's uh, advent calendar. Through Create and through Prop, we have learned a lot of different techniques, but this is just showing you what's in it and what it could look like if you had just a minute to craft. I would make a lot of these up front ahead of time so that you would match the card, have the card that you make match this. That would be really pretty. The same papers as the card, and take the scraps and make a embellishment bag, embellish a brown bag or whatever color bag. Take all the scraps and lay them across, or mix match, or like a quilt. Let's see. I didn't put this on, so I'm going to lay it right there. come. So it's movement. It's got a little movement underneath there. So save that. You can glue it first. So glue that first. Like a quilt pattern on a gift bag that matches. Now, a really nice gift would be a card from Anna, a tag from Anna, a gift bag from paper made of Anna, and I've made boxes and bags, and there's so many tutorials for that, and a present from Anna. Like if you get extra dies from the mystery box, and I have extra dies, yeah, that would be cute. So there you go, guys. There they are. And that's the back, and that's the front. I think that's so adorable. I like it. We did good today. Have a blessed day, everyone.